Stop struggling with distracting background noise. I'm Anna from For Real, and in this video, I'll show you how to quickly enable noise canceling on your Apple AirPods in less than a minute. Let's get it done. Ever wonder how this noise canceling happens so fast? Here's a mind-blowing fact for you. The custom Apple chip inside your AirPods is a tiny but powerful computer. It analyzes the sound from the outside world up to 200 times every single second to create the perfect anti-noise wave. It's literally reacting faster than the speed of thought to create your personal bubble of silence. If you've ever been on a loud train or in a busy coffee shop and fumbled through your settings trying to block out the noise, you're not alone. It can be super frustrating when you just want to focus, but finding the right setting shouldn't be a hassle. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to activate noise cancellation directly from your control center. No more digging through menus. Let's get started and give you back your peace and quiet. Okay, step 1 is super simple. Make sure your AirPods are connected to your iPhone. Now, just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This will open up your control center, where all your quick access tools are. Fun fact: Active Noise Cancellation technology was actually invented in the 1930s. It works by creating an anti-noise wave that is the exact opposite of the ambient sound, effectively canceling it out before it reaches your ear. All right, for step 2, look for the volume slider. It's the one that looks like a speaker icon with a bar. Now don't just tap it, press and hold your finger on it for a second. This will open up a more detailed audio control screen. Quick pause. If you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, do me a favor and tap the like button below. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more tips like this. Okay, back to the final steps. Now that we're on the big volume screen, you'll see a few icons at the bottom. For step 3, tap the button on the bottom left that says Noise Control. It might also just be an icon of a person with sound waves around them. This is where the magic happens. Here's a little AirPods trivia for you. When they first launched in 2016, many people criticized the design. But within just a couple of years, they became Apple's most popular accessory, with sales that surpassed the revenue of entire tech companies. Here's a fun fact about how Apple gets the sound just right. They have specialized, top-secret audio labs, including anechoic chambers that are so quiet you can hear your own heartbeat. In these rooms, engineers spend thousands of hours testing how the AirPods sound and how well the noise cancellation performs, using custom-built mannequins with realistic ears to simulate the listening experience for hundreds of different ear shapes. And for our final step, step 4. After tapping noise control, you'll see a few options: off, transparency, and noise cancellation. Go ahead and tap on noise cancellation. You should immediately notice the background noise around you fade away. And there you have it. In just 4 simple steps, you now know exactly how to activate noise cancellation on your AirPods. No more distractions, just pure, uninterrupted sound. You can now focus on your work, podcast, or music wherever you are. If you found this tutorial useful and want more quick tips for your Apple devices, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other AirPods features do you want to learn about? Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.